Lego fans, I'm back this afternoon. I'm building a Botanicals set. This is Sunflower Bouquet. Set 11502, 686 pieces. This was $54.99 in the UK and it came out in 2026. Right, let's have a look in the box. Get started. This set has been built before. So we have how many bags we got? 4 bags. We've got instructions and spares and some stems. Right, let's crack on. See how long this takes me. See you in a bit. Right, I'm back. Right, all done. That took me just under 49 minutes. That, to be fair, that was quite monotonous, but I think they look pretty good. Yeah, they look pretty good, but that was pretty monotonous. There's quite a lot there. Quite a lot of flowers there for your money, I think. Was that $54.99? But yeah, so all done. And right, let's get them in a vase, see what they look like. Right, see you soon.